Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the daily time frame. So, over the last week or so, I've been saying that this high right here is possibly the end of a crescent. Now, if that was the end of a crescent, I think that it should have gone down and given us a break of structure, which it didn't. Instead, it went down to a Fibonacci retracement of this move up and then engulfed back to the upside. Now that it engulfs back to the upside, we may have to reevaluate this. We may have to say, okay, this is the A. This is like the three wave running ABC of B, and perhaps we're now in an uptrend for a wave C, and then this will be your A, this will be your B, and this will be your wave C before we actually continue back down. Definitely a very likely possibility now that we turn back up. Now, we can't really rule out the possibility of this move up just being a pullback to this last move down, and it just does, some sort of a three-wave move like that, and then potentially goes down from there. So we definitely still want to watch our Fibonacci levels for those three-way pullbacks. Now, if we both scenarios have us going up, that means that we potentially should be bullish the US dollar via the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.